We need to feed them. Early morning techno.
Never too early for techno.
This is my passport. I've had this for almost 10 years and have not gotten a stamp on it. I first got it when I got a job in Osaka, Japan, and they told me to get a passport. That was in 2001. It's almost 2011. It's almost expired. But now, we're going into Canada. I'm gonna get a stamp! Where do you stamp? Stamp! Look at how young and innocent I was. Trust me, I look innocent. Now.
You're so little.
See? We're at the border.
It's little man.
Yeah, in my ID now, I look like a serial killer.
Canada! We're going to Canada! Canada!
We're gonna let Katie do all the talking.
I just want to go home and buy my pillow.
Katie, let's get a picture next to the Canada sign. Oh. Okay, that's not the Canada sign. Okay, good to know.
You're welcome to the best place on earth.
So happy together.
Hey, Mama, we're in Canada. We stopped at a bathroom. And there's a big fir tree with big pine cones.
And I thought of you.
It's beautiful here. Beautiful. There's some snow on these mountains right there. Beautiful.
There's Katie.
Are you ready?
Serious fire here in 2003. Serious, man.
Don't worry, Kiwi, there's lots of water. Mr. Narwhal is insanely thirsty in Canada. We've arrived. Looks like we're definitely not going to have internet, most likely. That's a beautiful view. And we are going to see some deer.
Maybe a moose.
What are we doing, Katie?
We're gonna go get some Canadian money.
Just gonna get my Canadian wallet. Scenery here is beautiful. Those are mountains, snow-covered mountains. Right there. It's just gorgeous. Here we go, bank. Show the Canadian money. It's pretty.
Ooh.
Show the shiny part.
Ah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wait, is it? There we go. Ah. Ooh. Hold it, hold it. Ooh. Ah, shiny. Shiny.
And like the shiny. Shiny. $2 coin. Yay. Dollar coin.
Huh.
Good night.
Nice. Another interesting point of fact, the exchange rate is actually now 98 cents to a US dollar.
The US dollar is weak.
Yeah, so it's very weak. I guess it used to be like 5 Canadian dollars per US dollar or something a couple of years ago. Is that what it's done? So yeah, it's gone down, which is interesting. I don't really know what that means, but
Well, it's been down since at least 2003. This week rocks. We don't supervise lunches. We get a 45-minute break. The kids come right back, and we actually get to have a 2-hour rehearsal. It went so fast. We got to go through all of our stuff, had extra time to spare, so we could really review. It was awesome. Canada equals rocking phantasmic coolness.
Oh, Canada.
The awesomest land we get to go to. There'd be more, but I'm done with that now. What do you think, Dan? Thoughts?
I thought the same thing. My rehearsal went very quickly. I taught, we're students here. I taught all of my stuff ridiculously fast. We reviewed it. We got to teach them more than I normally get to teach it. So, yeah, novel concept being on time. So sad.
Grocery
At least we can now Skype. Very excited about that. But one of the first things I'm going to do is check out a little video vlog of a friend of mine. Katie, you want to watch? Yes. Hey everyone. Just checking in. It's been a while. The internet connection was really slow last week, so I didn't even bother trying to make a video vlog. We know what you mean! I bought this awesome t-shirt. Check it out. And I also got to spend a lot of time in Indianapolis. But last week we were in Gardner, Montana. It's right on the northern entrance to Yellowstone National Park. The view outside of the cabin we were staying at was gorgeous. Take a look. And I didn't realize at first that those mountains in the background of that picture are actually in Yellowstone. Whoa, right? You know what's whoa? Whoa? Our view's better.
About you tonight, it's only right to think about the good love and all the time. So let's be together.
I love that song, Dave. Astoria Boulevard, iTunes, buy it. I was getting ready to use that song, Dave. Ah! It's funny. Yeah, I thought so. So this coming week I get to find out what show I'm doing, who I'm touring with, and where I'm touring. That's exciting. I'm a little nervous. I'm touring with Selena Davis, who I got to meet up with yesterday, Saturday. Is this current? Next week we find out. It's good to be back. We have 5 weeks left in this winter spring tour, and then hopefully I get to fly home and see some friends and family. You know who you are. I can't wait to see you. We're in Canada, Dave. Fly to Canada. Fly to Canada. Sparkles. We just got done with Drama Quest. I'm feeling a bit horribly under the weather. So now we have 2 rehearsals. Yay. Are you excited, Katie?
Yeah. Tomorrow we have a call-in and get to learn stuff. Maybe, hopefully.
About what?
Where we're gonna be this summer. We're Treasure Island! Yay! We're looking at possible tour locations. Not sure yet, because we don't know exactly where we're going. But we can't wait. Dan's voice is on the no-go. Swollen tonsils. Don't show that, Dan. That's gross. He's got medicine though now after a late-night ER trip, another doctor appointment. And now he's gonna sleep. We're gonna go see Kathleen and Laura. They're about an hour away. I'm gonna have fun. Poor Dan. I'm gonna have fun. We're making French toast. Doesn't Virginia the same? Virginia the same, right? Oh. Well, there's an Ohio week. Oh, you bring the camera? Okay. I'll bring the camera. I've been playing a long game of charades. Hi. Kathleen and Laura, I got to visit. Dan's sick and missing out. We miss you, Dan, and you should have been here. I know, Dan, I don't know you, but I'm sure I did indeed. That's you. It's true. And you would have loved their cat. Pretzel. 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 Oh, that would be a cool name. Pretzel, Pretzel. Yeah, yeah. We